Hey guys, today we're going to do first setup of Samsung Galaxy S23. If you're using Samsung Galaxy S23 and you want to make a first setup, so let's see how we can do this. When you power on your phone, you will get a welcome screen here. You just have to select your device language. Just tap on the language and here just select the language which you want. Then select OK from here. Then select start to start your setup, and after that you'll get this tab screen which is for your review. You just have to accept them all. These are under user license agreement, privacy policy, and sending of diagnostic data. Just select agree to all and then select agree in the bottom right corner, and then you'll get a reset screen which is easy setup with another device. If you're using any device, so you can easily use that to make an easy setup to this phone. You can easily use. If you're using Galaxy or Android, just select the first option. If you're using iPhone or iPad, just select the second option. But I'm going to set them manually. Just select the third option. And here just show the Wi-Fi network. But if you want to save, so you can easily skip that. I'm going to connect to Wi-Fi. Just tap on Wi-Fi network which you want to connect with. And here just enter the password of the Wi-Fi. Then select connect from here. When you connect to the internet, just select next, and after that it will take you to this screen which is getting your phone ready. You must have to wait for a minute because this may take a few minutes. You just have to wait for almost 2 or 3 minutes while it's being loading, and then we'll continue. So after that you'll get this type screen which is copy apps and data. If you're using any phone, you can easily use that to copy your apps and data to this phone, but I'm going to skip this. Just select don't copy from here, and here just wait for this loading, and after that let's see what's going to happen. And here, so you just have to your sign into your Google account. Is your Google account. If you have any account, just select here, and here enter your Gmail account to log in. But if you want to have an account, just select create account to create a new account. I'm going to skip this. Just let's skip here, and after that here's the protect your phone. In which way you want to protect your phone is the face recognition, fingerprint, pattern, pin, or password. You can just select one of them. I'm going to skip this. Just let's skip from here. And here's the Google services which is use location, allow scanning, and send usage and diagnostic data, and install updates, and you must have to accept them all and then select accept in the bottom right corner. And here's the getting your phone ready. You must have to wait on this screen for almost 1 or 2 minutes, and after that you'll get this type display which is Samsung account. If you have any Samsung account, you just have to log in here and with your email or phone number in which way you want. But if you won't have an account, just select the forgot password or don't know, and here you can easily recover password if you forgot, and you can easily create new account. But I'm going to skip this and select setup letter in settings. Just select skip from here, and then select all. These are some terms and conditions and privacy policies of your phone. Just select all from here and then select agree in the bottom right corner. Then select agree. These are some Samsung services which is auto blocker and customization service. Just select agree in the bottom right corner and then select which you want. It's the display mode, is the light and dark. You can easily select which one you want. I'm going to select light from here. Just select next and then wait for it. So just have to wait for it until it's being loading, and that's all. You have all set up, and now you just have to select home to go to your home screen. So that's how you can easily make a first time setup of Samsung Galaxy S23. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.